Today focus is Princess 300. It's beautiful shape, but when I bought this one, it has a lot of issues. First, the seller mentioned many key sticky keys, but I found it was not sticky. Mechanically something wrong. I don't know what happened to this typewriter, but in the here there is a type bar, and then this distance it's uneven, so some type bar doesn't go further around here because it's too narrow, this space. So I realize this they are not even aligned. Almost 1 day later, I clean and I realize, and then I use some screw, and then this one I make even this one by one. Still something still not perfect. This is a W key, still slow down, and then another one is a period. This one also a little bit slow. After couple hitting, it will be okay. Except the 2 key, now it's working perfect. It's very good condition right now. And then another thing is I don't know why it happened, but this is a mainspring. It was bent inside, so every time the carriage move around here over the mainspring, around that time it was stuck. So I bent this one behind, means original position. After that it looks good. And then another issue is if set up the margins here, then maybe at that time, around here, the bell works. Like this. But if I move this one to here, at that time, bell does not work. And then the bell trigger, this around here, it was stuck, not go further, doesn't go further. So that means this mainspring tension, it's not enough. So I make more tension, increase the tension. After that, it looks good. So during that time, I realized this mainspring mechanism little bit different. Normally carriage here, and then this one is a draw code holder. That side, that means usually mainspring this side, right? But this one mainspring also here, adjacent to the bell, right? That means there is another mechanism here. See? This one. See? The draw code go through this rail. So that means we need a more longer draw code, because from the way behind the right spot here, you can see the right spot. Here, from here, to like this, and then go back to the another end of the another right spot here, right? So that means this mainspring mechanism little bit different. Also, in order to change the draw code, it's a little bit tricky compared to the other typewriter. Right? Okay, so I adjust that one also. And then another thing is when I bought this one, this color choice mechanism, ribbon color choice mechanism does not work. Then I look at the inside. There is like three different turning mechanism. Hit means the push the one wheel and then return. At that time they choose the different choice, one more and then different one more different one. In order to do that, I opened this part. See, it's a little bit hard to see this one, so I need to like hold this one. Okay, this one. See, you can see this movement. See, no. If this one hold like this, then it doesn't work. See, so at the time it's, I don't know why it was like a stick like this position, so it doesn't work. So accidentally I touch and then move back. After that it works perfect. So I fix this part. And then other things, this ribbon cover around here to put, there is like this nicely both sides, the hole, and then it should fit into the here, this part, both sides, and then the front part, this one, this one, into that part. But right side it was okay, but this part, after this part, it was bented inside, so it doesn't work properly because went down, so no that kind of holder. So I bent like this again, and then after that it works in perfect. So that's another thing. And then the ribbon spool reverse, it's auto reverse, but we can do the manually touch this one like this, yeah. I fix another thing is this one, for the capital. Under here there is a long bar connection behind from to the back to the carriage. This part, it was disconnected. Fortunately there is a bar inside, so first time I thought it was missing the long bar, but was there inside, so I can fix it. So right now it's okay. Okay? You can see the plus sign, right? That's the tension of a touch. You can control the 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different tension you can control from here. Okay. Case is very good. The bottom, from the bottom. This and then especially to put to the here, there is a very well designed behind. See, yeah. This that's a chrome part. There is a chrome part that's attached to the base, the case. This metal stuff, some parts go under this chrome part, push, and then this part, other part, there is a this one, right? Both sides. So yeah, it's very good. Someone mentions normally we say this kind of typewriter called is ultra portable typewriter. This one of the early version got a full function. That means we can choose the ribbon color, and then we have a tab function, we have a margin setup, and then each tab setup. This is clear, this is tab set. So after that, it's like this. So that's the fully loaded typewriter. Also they have a release, the carriage release here, and then the paper support here. Push this small button, then comes out like this. Okay, and then a margin setup here. Exactly almost same with the Olivetti Lettera. Yeah. So a lot of people compare with this one to the Lettera 22 because same ultra portable. First version of the full function, it's Lettera 22. So I briefly compare with this one and then Lettera 22. I only difference is Lettera 22 has the both side carriage release. What is a button or yeah, function, yeah. And then little bit I am not sure, maybe early version they have like this one, like Lettera 22, like this, but there is something holder, but this one there is no that kind of thing here. So but I think early version they have like this stuff, Lettera 22, like Lettera 22, but this one there is no that kind of function. Except that everything almost same. It's a line space control, and then this one is a variable turning for the pattern line space. So it's almost same. Let's see the Lettera 22 briefly compared to this one, and then after that I tell you about the feeling or touchy. Also I briefly compare to Lettera 32. Before that I like this one better, like Lettera 32. No, 33. Yeah, 32. Why? Lettera 22 has the soundless insulation, the couple side inside. That means yeah, smells bad. But this one exactly like Olympia SM 8 and then SM 9 or Pathit typewriter. They don't use any. But letter 22 or Smith or the Noya early version, they have all kind of soundless the insulation, so that make very stinky. So let's see the letter 22. Okay, I cleaned the everything inside, but outside I didn't finish it perfectly, but still okay. That's the letter 22, right? Yeah, you see the logo. Huh? Yeah, the before one, Princess 300 was manufactured 1963. This one is a 1962. So just 1 year early version. This one. This is exactly fully functional ultra portable typewriter. See, tab, and then backspace, and then margin release, and then capital, and then tap the color choice for the ribbon, and then the margin setup both sides, here and here, and then like what is it called? This stuff, paper supporter, and then the carriage release. This one has the both side, this side and then this side. That's better than the other one. Also, I mentioned about this one, right? Like this, yeah. But I think early version Princess 300 has like this stuff, but holder here, but little bit opposite case. They are like this. They are this one like that, but the same. And then I already mentioned this is standard mainspring. It should be this side. It's much easier to change the draw code. The mainspring the other side, that means a whole round way and then go back to the other side. That means make it tricky. So this is someone mentioned the first version of ultra fully loaded typewriter, and then after that Princess 300. So that's why a lot of people wanted to compare this one with that one. But already I mentioned this one has the like here soundless insulation stuff. Also the bottom part, yesterday I took the bottom part. This one is different, the bottom part compared to the 32, because in order to open the bottom part we need unscrew like this, but the 32 easily we can take off this part without unscrewing. So also in the bottom part there is a soundless insulation. That yeah, again that smells bad. So now let's see the compared to the touchy. Always I said the feeling of touchy, it's very individual stuff, typewriter by typewriter, because the maintenance is very important. But maybe the brand new, both typewriter brand new, then we can really easy to compare. This one is very light. This key touch is very light. Even though this one is not good condition, but still this one is very light compared to the I bring here the Princess 300. See? Okay, it's a little more far away. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. This key size, it's very different. This is a very small. This is a little bit big. The overall the size, the front to back letter is 1 inch longer, approximately. But the wide, This one, Prince 300 is 1 inch the widener compared to this one. So that means exactly almost same size. This one is 1 inch longer. This one is 1 inch wider. So considering both dimension, almost same size, but the key size is totally different. It looks like like a Olympia or the Pathit, that kind of exactly same size key. So that means very, very bad. I mean, much better than this one to touch. This one, sometimes we can feel the very slippery here, but this is very good, the kind of protection. Also, sound is much louder. This one is very less louder, but the weight feeling like this. Yeah, this one is heavier. Of course, we have the bottom side, the base here. It can be attached to the outside cover. So that's maybe, yeah. Without this one, I think very close, same weight. Okay, so if I choose the one of from here, I choose this one. First reason is key is good for me. The key size is good, and then also is there is no like a soundless installation stuff hole inside. That's I prefer that kind of typewriter. Okay, let's see the another one. 32. There are 32. Okay. This one, I don't know when they start like this, but there is no soundless installation inside, nothing. So I like this one better than that 22, considering just that stuff. But except that, I think almost same. But again, this one is very well maintained, so the touch is much better, and then a little bit louder than compared to the 22. So yeah, almost same feeling, but different is also the size of the key. This one is much convenient for me. This one is very small. So except that this one is really close because no insulation stuff inside. Same thing. Yeah. So maybe even though these two, still I can choose this one, but very close this one. So yeah. To put this one back, I should consider this hole. Then, okay. This one is okay. This one is okay. Then, yeah, it's perfect. Alright, very nice typewriter. Okay, that's the Princess 300. Thank you for watching.